my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. St. Patrick's Day is coming up in a few days. And to highlight this event, I like making something green. It can be chocolate mint Nanaimo bars, green smoothie, shamrock shake, and others. Now, here's my grasshopper pie. Made with a lovely cream cheese filling and a nice chocolate graham crust, this sumptuous minty pie is so delicious. Plus, very easy to make. So let's get baking. First, we'll start by making our chocolate honey graham cracker pie crust. I'm not showing you how because there's an episode on it. So click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. One thing I want to mention is we'll bake it for just 3 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I know it says 8 minutes on top, but dismiss it. We'll remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Alright, so next step is to make the filling. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add 2 packages of cream cheese at room temperature. Then some confectioner's sugar and a pinch of salt. To this, we'll pour in the green crème de menthe as well as the white crème de cacao. With the paddle attachment, we'll process on low speed before increasing to medium. Now, if you want, you can add a drop or two of food coloring, and to use the natural one, the link is on your screen. Like I always say, let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl. There's always something stuck down there. To achieve a perfect mixture, we'll crank up the speed to high and mix until nicely blended. Next, we'll add about 1.5 cups of whipped cream. You can buy it from the store or simply make it from scratch. And to see how, you know where the link is. We'll gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture before spooning the filling into our prepared chocolate pie crust. We'll spread it out evenly all the way to the edges using a spatula, and then transfer to the fridge for 3 hours or until it sets. If you decide to leave it longer, make sure to cover it with foil. And my friends, this is our grasshopper pie. Extremely easy to make, this scrumptious dessert is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. It's a lovely sweet treat to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredients, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!